Hello friends, welcome to the channel Dewdear Academy. Today I am discussing another smart study topic, that is side effects of Valproic. How can we remember the side effects of Valproic? With mnemonics. I have uploaded lot of videos related with the medical and nursing contents, so please watch all these videos and also don't forget to subscribe the channel, and you can give your comments and also like the channel. Now let me continue with this topic, side effects of Valproic. So the mnemonic is Valproic. V indicates vomiting, then A indicates alopecia, L is liver toxicity, P is indicating pancreatitis, R is indicating retention of weight gain, then O is indicating edema, A shows anorexia, T shows tremor, and E is indicating enzyme inhibitor. So these are the side effects. VALPROATE, vomiting, alopecia, liver toxicity, pancreatitis, retention of weight gain, edema, anorexia, tremor, and enzyme inhibitor. So this is an interesting method to study any topic with mnemonics. So thank you.